So if you've been thinking about moving to a first floor living here in Durham, North Carolina, and you will ask yourself, what if downsizing didn't mean giving up luxury? Imagine a beautifully designed ranch home with a gourmet chef kitchen, a private courtyard, and an open layout filled with natural light and a resort-style amenities right outside your door. Add a lawn maintenance, a pool, a pickleball courts, walking trails, and a clubhouse, and suddenly, home feels more like a retreat. Stay with me because this home right here may completely change the way you think about single level living. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette. I'm your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. And if you're thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious about what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. On this channel, I tour homes, explore communities, and share what life is really like here, like in Cary, Apex, Durham, and Raleigh. And if you enjoy this type of content, I'd love for you to subscribe, like, and follow along. And whether you're ready in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. So let's go ahead inside and see what makes this home so special. Let's take you for a tour in this beautiful first floor living space here in Durham, North Carolina, and the builder is Epcon. And this one has a 2 bedroom downstairs and a loft. So why don't we go take a look? Let's take a tour. So as you enter, this is your main entrance. Right away, there are, right here on this left side is already, you have your full bathroom right here. Right, as you enter this home. And then, this is very important. People want to know storage spaces. And right away, in this part of the home, you will have this 1 bedroom right here. And this could be your guest room. And look at the space of this closet right here. It's very nice and wide. Okay, this will be your closet for this room. Could be your guest room, could be your office. And then let's go over here. This one has access to your 2-car garage. I noticed that their garage space here are really big. I noticed that's so wide. So if you love big garage, this is perfect for you. And right away on the main entrance here, this is really an awesome. Okay, let me give you a surprise later. So this will be your washer and dryer or laundry area, laundry room. And then let's go this space. And then you can have your drop zone right here from the garage where you can put all your stuff there. And then, like I said, here's your coat closet right here from the garage. That's very important. And then there's a loft space here. But right now, let's talk about this space here. Look, this is your main living area, your dining area right here. It's so spacious. You can fit really nice big furniture here if you want. But sometimes it's easier when there's furniture. But I can tell you right away that there's plenty of space here for any types of furniture that you would like. And wow, this kitchen, it's not downsized. Everything is like a regular size compared, when you, even if you're living in a ranch home or first floor living here, your kitchen, you still have this nice gourmet kitchen right here. Really like lots of storage space. 5 gas burner if you like to cook with gas. So this is perfect. And I love gas, cooking in gas. Here's your beautiful quartz center island here that you can put like 3 or 4 stools here for added dining space for you. And then right here, look guys, what is this? This is your screened-in porch. Right here. This home has a screened-in porch. And it has a nice privacy panel here, so you don't feel like you have to say hi to your neighbor. And I like screened-in porch because that's something that is so important for a lot of people because they don't like bugs. They don't have to deal with that. So, but also, if you notice, from here you have your access to your outdoor living space right here. Very nice. And you have that beautiful space at the back right there. And mind you, they have what is included in your HOA is your lawn maintenance. So perfect for people that don't like mowing especially when when it's really hot outside. So people love that convenience of no mowing. You don't have to take care of your lawn. It's included. And so why don't we go ahead to our primary suites right here. I love this where you can decorate your that section to make it more interesting. Here is your primary bedroom. Wow, nice. Because you have these big, huge windows that let the sunshine in. And you can fit king-size bed here easily, spacious. And then I love the tray ceiling, which is, offers that height and space to this room. And let's go ahead into the primary bathroom right here. 2 vanity sink right here. And closet space or linen space right here. Closet. And here is your 0, step-in shower here. This is the main feature that is so popular in this community because, it helps people that, that to prevent them from, accidents like tripping over it. But this is easy step. If you have sensitive knees, and at certain age, this is really a very convenient way to get to the shower. And look, this is your walk-in closet space here. And then behind you is the water toilet. And one good thing about this floor plan is that it has easy access to your laundry. You don't have to carry your laundry all the way outside to your washer and dryer. It has easy access from your main, your walk-in closet to your washer and dryer. Isn't that convenient? Right? So yeah, that's a great feature. That's one of my favorite feature in this house is that, those little things that they put really add convenience to your living. So let's go ahead into this loft area here for added bonus space. And this floor plan has this bonus space right here, which is so perfect for your, like your game room, your hobby room, whatever you want to Yes, a what? Blog studio or podcast studio. If you're into podcasting, this is perfect for you. And it has this space, closet space here. And look, it has its own full bathroom up here. You don't have to go downstairs. And of course, you don't have to hurry if you need to use the restroom. This is also perfect. Look, by the window, what a very, cool design is that you get to see outside. And you can have if this is your game room area, this is perfect. You can put your, cooler or small refrigerator here for your drinks, food that you want. And then you can have popcorn and refreshment here. And you have your own sink. You don't have to go downstairs. So this is perfect for entertainment. And you have the little section here that you can convert to whatever you want. All the space here you can use. So perfect. This is beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, guys. But let me give you a quick tip that is so important that I know a lot of buyers really don't know or not aware of it, is that when you come to a community like this, you are very happy, you want to meet the sales representative of this community, which is Epcon or any other new development community. Remember that those agents are representing only the the sellers, the builders. They don't look out for your interests. So it is always wise that you bring your own realtor with you, who will give you an advice of other options for other communities, give you direction or guide you through the process seamlessly, so that your biggest purchase of your lifetime is going to be you will have a good representation. So anyways, the builders are going to pay the commission of the agents anyway, so might as well just take advantage of that. And it's always good that you have this option so you can make an informed decision. So I hope that helps. That tip of the day. So one quick bonus here. Right now, please take advantage of their 2.99% interest rates or enjoy the 25% off design center options. So also, one thing that you need to know about this community is that their homes are pre-wired for solar. So if you're looking for a home that combines comfort, convenience, and resort-style living, you definitely want to check out the Courtyards at Oak Grove. This is a beautiful community, offers luxury ranch homes and townhomes with first floor owner suites. And it has private courtyards. Love their private courtyards. It is really nice place to relax and to unwind and gather your family or friends. Or just use sipping your coffee or relaxing with your book. So also one good feature here is that the lawn maintenance is taken care for you. You can spend less time on the upkeep and more time enjoying your lifestyle that you love. Residents only also enjoyed the incredible amenities, including the clubhouse with fitness center, swimming pool, pickleball courts, walking trails, pocket parks, and even a dog park. So if you'd like to learn more about this community or other homes in the Triangle area, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you explore your options here in North Carolina.
Tested by the potion, loving this devotion.